104.9 kicking on FM. Sun City. Sun City. Sun City. 104.9 kicking on FM dial. What are you doing, son?
Hey, super uptown.
Sun City jungle. Sun City jungle.
You will get stitches.
Sun City jungle. Sun City jungle. Sun City. Sun City. Young Sun City. 104.9 kicking on FM dial.
We are road, yeah, we not timid. How about this? I don't know you make.
Oh, yo, stop chop, my stop, and the killer, some do the chop chop.
Anyway, we there, this is what the ass.
Lisa Bling!
You know what I can't go.
I'm not a man, I'm just stand.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, on our way to.
Welcome back, my viewers. So from you see how that video they start off in the beginning, you should know say this is about Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, the poor people general, right? Now, me I go say congratulations first of all, because for all who don't know, Bounty Killer is now the newest brand ambassador for Digicel. Yeah, make we give him a hip hip hooray because of him named Bounty Killer, the poor people governor. Alright, now, you don't know why? Well, me tell you now why Bounty Killer is now the face of Digicel. You remember the versus clash between Bounty and Beanie? Yes, that is still being talked about right now. Well, remember Digicel did a tremendous, a splendid job at streaming that clash, you know, right? Everybody was talking about it for the longest. I say, yo, Digicel not even glitch, not even for a second. Digicel no glitch, them streamed that perfectly. And Bounty Killer made one of the speech them was stick. Yo, Digicel or Fimicel, and right away everybody start to say that. And from me here Killer said that me didn't know personally say ewa. Digicel did have to get Bounty Killer on board with a speech like that. You understand? And then came the news today after the Ground Godzilla himself posted something that the Digicel company put out. And this is it right here. Let me read it for you. From the man who put the words Digicel or Fimicel on the lips of everyone comes a brand new alliance with our brand. Bounty will bring the same energy from that unforgettable versus clash into helping us connect in more meaningful ways with our customers and the wider community through his music, street flair, and good deeds via the Bounty Foundation. Help us welcome the newest addition to our family, our brand ambassador, Ground Godzilla, Bounty Killer, the versatile street tough dancehall icon, is what Digicel said. Yeah man, so that's what I talk about. So Killer, congratulations again, my general. I love to say achievements, you understand? And a whole heap of achievement Bounty Killer make across the years, you understand? And I'm going to tell you something too. You may not see a lot of content creators covering this topic on YouTube because unless it's mixed up on drama and controversy, them not touch it. But you see me as you, me like to spread good news too, right? And that is why me bring that forward. And another good news too, somehow you might not know, since versus clash, Bounty and Beanie saw 216% increase in streaming sales. You know that? Believe me, 216% the man them say in streaming sales since versus clash. So that was a good thing for them. You understand? Me like that. And me know so the real fans are gonna like that too. Comment in the comment section. Big up Bounty Killer, big up Beanie Man, two legends in the business where I do it for decades and still I stand strong and I go firm. You understand? So once again, congratulations, Killer. Alright, now on to another topic. Christopher Tufton, the health minister, has made a lot of him name kind of go around in a social media, right? And in a negative light, as a matter of fact. Right now, for all who don't know, let me tell you what go on. There has been some kind of leaked videos going around, videos and images. And just yesterday, he put out a statement saying, yo, there has been some very stupid, he never said stupid still, but things that go around on social media and it is all lies. Well, just today, the health minister put out what if I call it? A notice. and him say, yo, all of the cyber bullies just know say, yo, my lawyers are come for uno. And all of uno who are do it just know say this has been reported to the cybercrime division in Jamaica, is what the health minister is saying. So if you out there spread around the videos or spread false rumors upon the man name, just know say the health minister and him lawyers and the police will be coming at you. So this is what the statement was that the health minister put out on his IG today.
In recent days, there has been a flood of vile, filthy, and scandalous allegations and innuendos on social media aimed at besmirching and tainting my good name and reputation. These disgusting, vicious, and false attributions made under the cover of social media have caused great pain and suffering and are clearly aimed at damaging my career as well as causing emotional distress. This matter has been reported to the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division, CTOC, of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and I have also instructed my attorneys to use all available legal steps to ensure the prosecution of these cybercriminals and in any event to seek recourse in the civil courts as and when their identities are ascertained. I realize that a part of the motivation for these attacks have to do with my public office, but I will not be deterred in doing my job to the best of my ability and in service of my country.
Now believe me, there has been a lot of talks going around on social media about the health minister, you understand, and even a whole heap of memes all over social media, right? And I've seen them, yeah. I've even seen pictures and videos and stuff like that. Cause you don't know, me being what me do, people are going to send me them things there too. But I know everything, you see, I say me I go bring forward, right? Certain things me see, I'ma just leave it alone, right? But now the health minister is saying, listen, this has been reported and everybody involved will be getting contacted because the police are dig deep to find out who send out videos and who are trying to mix up the man name in a things. Now whether it is true or false, me no know. Whether it is actually him or not, me no know. But I'm just saying, just know say if you are one of them where I deal with the spreading of whatever, just know say it has been reported to the cybercrime unit and it is now being investigated. Alright, listen my people, done with this, gone. Talk to me down in the comment section, let me know what you think about this whole topic. Big up Bounty Killer once again, the Ground Godzilla and his achievement and becoming the face of Digicel, the brand new brand ambassador. Alright, listen. If this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, what you wait for? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.